Right, it's nice you. Can you talk to us then, please? A little bit louder so we can all hear you. Are you fed up with us talking about the ball and get the ball into the glass? Or do you think it's funny?
Can you say it a little bit louder for us, please, so we can all hear you?
Yeah, just drop the tool up.